Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina and I'm an independent Avon sales representative. So today we're going to talk about Dr. Groot. Dr. Groot. So what is Dr. Groot and what's it about? So Avon introduced these Dr. Groot products. They're your solution for thinning hair. I happen to have one of the products here today. So I'm going to show that to you. The product I actually have is a Dr. Groot microbiome scalp fortifying hair thickening shampoo. So I actually had a customer buy 2 of these. So what does it have in it? So it has coconut oil. It deep cleanses while it moisturizes dry scalp and hair. So here we go. Let me just read it something else while I'm opening this. So it's formulated to help restore your scalp's invisible microbiome shield of healthy flora. It contains prebiotics and probiotics and natural-based plant ingredients to help soothe redness and itching, and biotin to help thicken hair. No sulfates, no parabens, or silicones. All right, so this is the box it came in. All right, so it's a pretty good sized bottle if you look. The price right now, it's a $29 for each bottle. All right, so here we go. Look how beautiful this bottle is. All right, so this is great for, for anyone who has thinning hair. It's a great solution for your hair. Like I said, I had a customer buy 2 of these, so hopefully she'll give me a feedback on what she thought about these products, and I'll come back and give you the feedback. So there are also other products that they have from Avon that Dr. Groot has as well. So the other product is the Dr. Groot microbiome scalp fortifying exfoliating shampoo. So this one is with rosemary extract, gently exfoliates, helping to remove dirt and impurities. So this is also $29. Now this one is 8.4 ounces. So if you picture this, all right, so this is 13.5, so maybe close to like half of that, probably about this high. All right, that's how the other bottle is. The next product is Dr. Groot microbiome scalp fortifying serum treatment. So that says here, upon contact with water, concentrated liquid forms into a creamy formula that moisturizes and helps support healthy hair roots and growth. So this one is 6.7 ounces, so a little bit of a smaller bottle. This is also $29. And last but not least, another Dr. Groot product is the Scalp Fortifying Massaging Tonic. And it has a massaging tip in it, and I'll show it to you in a second. This says, with Sephora root, an herb known to help support health of the scalp circulation and hair growth. Massage it in to help hair follicles absorb essential nutrients. Now this one is 5 ounce and this one is $39. So I'm going to show this to you so you can see it properly. All these products, like I said, here we go. I don't have all these products in front of me. The shampoo and the serum and all that stuff. And if you can see the massaging head right here, okay. So you can find these products and so much more at AzraBeautyHub.com. If you have any questions, remember, always comment below. I'm on social media. You can connect with me on all different platforms. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell while you're there. Don't forget to like. Until next time, have a great day and always keep smiling.